What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, we're going to be working with Arabella hair. I was sent a money highlight 24-inch 13 by 4, but it's given 13. I think it's 13 by 6 frontal wig. If I'm wrong, all the details will be down below, so just check in the description box. But y'all, I've never ever had a wig these two colors. You guys know I love colors, but orange and burgundy together, I would have never ever thought about orange and burgundy together, and these colors hit, y'all. I received the body wave wig. Reasons why I went back in and one curl the hair to give it back its wave. And y'all, I honestly did not expect this hair to come out like this. Like, at first I'm like, these two colors, that's kind of weird. But yeah, I'm loving the colors. I'm jacking the colors. And I love this color. I love. Like I said, this is Arabella hair. This is not my first time working with Arabella hair. I've worked with them plenty of times before, but they surprised me with this wig. Like, I wasn't expecting this wig. And I don't think I've ever seen anybody with these two colors yet. Nah, so yeah. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong, but I ain't seen nobody yet, so I'm the first in my eyes. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are interested in the same exact wig, the link will be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Head over to Arabella's site. Get you a wig, y'all. Get you a wig. The hair is bomb. Lace is bomb. Everything is... I didn't even have to pluck this wig, y'all. Literally, while I'm about to install this wig, I'm like, I did not pluck this hair. And honestly, it turned out good. So... shout out to Arabella, because I don't know what's up with these hair companies now, but they catching on to the natural hairline. And yeah, I really did not pluck this wig, and it don't need to be plucked in my eyes. So, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 60K, man. Let's get it, let's go. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye!